Guys, in this video, I am going to share one of the best exchange which will give you the utility of the spot trading and also for the margin trading. I will share each and everything in this tutorial, that how you can sign up, how you can create your account on the FameEx exchange. Secondly, how you can complete your KYC, and in the third phase, I will share with you that how you can start your spot trading and also how you can start your margin trading on the FameEx exchange. Right now, this exchange is available on the CoinGecko, and you can check out each and every data of this exchange, and also you can check out the 24 hours trading volume. There are number of altcoins are available which are available in the spot trading, and also all the altcoins are available in the margin trading. So if you want to know more about this hidden gem, because right now we are at very early stage, if we are going to use this exchange, and hopefully this exchange will give us some good profit in near future. Stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
So guys, right now they are also offering you 10,000 USDT to grab. First of all, you'll have to sign up on the FameEx exchange. Secondly, you have to complete your KYC, and in the third phase, you have to deposit some amount of USDT or any other altcoin which are available on the FameEx exchange and start trading with your funds, and then you will be eligible for this 10,000 USDT. So first of all, you have to create your account. For creating your account, you have to enter your email address, then you have to enter your password. Hopefully the confirmation email will receive in the spam folder, so you have to confirm that email. And so after confirming that email, simply you can log into your account. So after login to your account, you have to click on this option and simply click on the basic option to complete your KYC, because KYC is necessary. After completing your KYC, you will have the chance to use all the utilities of the FameEx exchange. So for the KYC, it will take hardly 30 minutes, and simply you have to bound your email address, then you have to bound your mobile phone number, and your KYC will be done hardly in 30 minutes. Then you have to click on the wallet option and simply click on the spot wallet option. So after clicking on the spot wallet option, it will redirect you towards the new page. So simply clicking on the deposit option. So when you are going to click on the deposit option, you will get number of options are over there. Like you can simply deposit 1-inch altcoin, you can deposit DAI stable altcoin, you can simply deposit USDT TRC20, and even you can deposit BNB, BTC, Ethereum. So number of options will be available over here. So here you can see, so right now you can get each and every altcoin. All the altcoins are available over here, and you will get the deposit address. So simply you can copy the deposit address and you can send the amount of Ethereum, 1-inch altcoin, ape altcoin, any altcoin you can send directly to the FameEx exchange which are available on the FameEx exchange right now. So after depositing some amount on the exchange, then you have to click on this option, and also you have to click on the trade option. Then you can see all the pairs which are available, and also you can check out the entire data on the CoinGecko, because every day they are listing some new altcoins, and we'll have the chance to earn something with those altcoins which they are listing every day. So here you can see, when you are going to click on the trade option, it will redirect you on this page. So simply you can trade on this exchange. It is entirely very easy. So also you will get all the options like open orders, order history, trade history. So all the data will be available over here, and even you can check out the entire charts. So right now we will move on to the major thing, that is for the margin traders. So guys, for the margin trading, you have to click on this option, but first of all, you have to transfer your funds from the spot wallet to the derivatives wallet. For this thing, you have to click on the spot wallet again, and then you can see the option of the transfer. Here you can see the option of the transfer. So simply clicking on this option, simply you can transfer your funds from the spot wallet to the derivatives wallet. So after depositing your amount, after transferring your amount from the spot wallet to the derivatives wallet, here you can see right now I have some funds in the derivatives wallet. You can simply click on the derivatives, and then you have to click on the USDT perpetual. So after clicking on the USDT perpetual, right now I am going to start some margin trading. and hopefully I will make some good profit. So right now I'll have multiple options like BTC, Ethereum, ARDA, BCH, BNB, Dogecoin, ETC, Flow altcoin, Gala altcoin. So right now I'm going for the Gala altcoin and I am going to open my short position over here. So here you can see right now you will get the option of the limit and even you will get the option of the market. I am going for the option of the market because that will be good for me. So I am going with only 24% of my total amount. Right now I have $100 around. So guys, the best feature of the FameEx exchange is that right now it is giving you the facility of the calculator, so easily you can calculate that how much you can earn if you are going to open the position, even for the long position, even for the short position. So that is one of the best thing of this exchange. So you can easily check out each and everything. First of all, your position, your open orders, your order history, trade history, each and everything. So right now you can see that right now I am in profit. So I can even calculate each and everything about this position. So that is such a great thing. What do you think? Share with me. And right now you will also get the option of number of altcoins, and mark my word guys, this exchange will surely give us huge profit if we are going to sign up on this exchange right now, if we are going to start margin trading on this exchange, because it is a new exchange and every time a new exchange enters in the crypto market, they will give you some allowances, they will give you some rewards, and it's one of the best time for all of us to grab those rewards. Also you can follow them on the Twitter because every day they are sharing number of things over there, and as I told you that you'll have the chance to earn up to 10,000 USDT if you are going to sign up on this exchange right now, if you are going to start your margin trading, and if you are going to start your spot trading on the FameEx exchange. Easily you will grab some good amount. What do you think? Share with me in the comment section, and if you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.